Thanks for looking. Welcome to here. Today I will talk about why do we need healthy insulin. Insulin resistance increases the risk of type 2 diabetes, hypertension, stroke and cancer. So, healthy insulin is very important to everyone. Which foods help protect healthy insulin? Let's see. Low carb vegetables, nuts, seeds, milk foods, egg and seafoods. How insulin resistance develops? Oil genetics, a lack of exercise, too much belly fat, excess body weight, smoking and even less sleep. Who is most affected by coronavirus? For people with diabetes, blood pressure, heart disease, respiratory disease, liver disease and insulin resistance. So these people need to be aware and others also need to be aware. Zinc stops reproduction of the virus. So we need to take zinc foods daily. Some zinc foods: parsley, fennel, chickpeas, almond, cashew, milk foods, etc. Stress affects the immune system, so avoid stress. Be clean, take it easy, live a happy,